welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title above, this is a hair tutorial, so let's jump right into it. So the hair that I'm using is from Alipearl on AliExpress, and I got it in a Brazilian body wave in the lengths 18-inch, 16-inch, 14-inch with a 14-inch lace frontal. So this hair color was definitely inspired by Sophiology here on YouTube. Now she used Revlon Color Silk in these 3 box colors 60, 47, and 20, which is what I also have here, as well as toner. So I'm starting out with my bleach powder and my 30 volume developer to lift the hair to a certain level, and I actually had to lift it twice to get it as light as possible without damaging it over a course of a few days. So I'm not really sure why I even covered up the hair in foil paper at this point, because all it did was process the hair way too quickly. If you look, you'll see that the bottom hair that I section off is already lightened. So if you're gonna do this, probably don't wrap it up in foil and just let it process on its own, because the foil heats up everything really fast. So this is how the hair looks after I applied all the bleach, and I let it stay on for about 35 minutes and then I washed it out. So here I'm using Wella Toner in T14 as opposed to the T18 because I heard that it helps to take out the orange and the brassy tones better than the actual T18. as the hair, the frontal toned beautifully, but the back didn't. So I decided to make a little concoction of purple hair shampoo. Not really purple shampoo, purple conditioner, because I didn't have shampoo. And I mixed it with conditioner, just like a cheap conditioner. Mixed it up so it have a purple tint, and I applied it all over the hair. I did not let it sit on for too long, like literally 10 minutes, and then I washed it off because I was too scared it was going to turn my hair purple. But it did tone down the orange color a bit, but for some reason on camera it's showing it as orange, but in person it actually toned it down quite a bit. So finally we can get to the actual color, and I start off with the ash blonde like Sophia did on the tips, on pieces on the front, and certain little highlight pieces that I want. And then for the middle of the hair I go in with the brown color, and then for the roots I do dark black, and I kind of foiled up each section so it does not disturb me. And yeah, and I just let that sit in process for about 20 minutes I think, and then I washed it out. This hair literally took me a week to complete, but it was so worth it because the color came out beautifully, as you can see here. I love it. I don't know why the camera is not picking up the true tone of it, but I'm telling you, it is gorgeous, hunty. So yeah, this is it. The hair still feels really soft. It doesn't feel damaged and dry, so Alipearl is definitely a win on the Brazilian body wave. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, definitely subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.